for CCTV camera installation. We are out here to do our thing. And we're done. Check it out. You can see this is the first camera. Let me take you guys to see the second camera. This is my co-engineer Obere Eze. This is the second one. It's active. Let me show you the third one quickly. So you need to trust LYON Energy solar installation, CCTV camera. We are active. We are active for your security, for your peace of mind. You can be anywhere in the world and access the camera with just an app. You get? That is the third one over there. As you can see, that is the third. That is the third camera. So let me quickly show you the fourth one. So don't hesitate. LYON Energy, anytime, any day. Think solar with us. Think solar with us. And that is the fourth one over there. You can see.